Hello students. Now in our next lecture of physics, we are dealing with the cases of convex lens as well as concave lens. So here are the two cases. One is for the convex lens having the virtual formation image. So we have already discussed about the concept that convex lens is this and its focal length is positive. These are the focal length, these are the 2f. So whenever the object is placed between f and 2f, the image is beyond 2f and it is real and inverted. Whenever the object is placed at 2f, the image is at 2f on the other side and real and inverted. Whenever the object is at f, the image is at infinity. So here, whenever the object is between optical center and focal length, so first of all we will take the sign convention. So for the sign convention we use that rays, first of all the rays will come in this direction and we are noting the distance from O to B. So opposite direction, so we will take minus u. So the sign convention is object distance is minus u, negative sign. Now from the ray diagram, one ray will go parallel to the principal axis and then this ray will converge towards the focus point because the convex lens is converging lens, so every ray we have to converge. Another ray we have to produce or we have to pass from the optical center and we see that these both rays are diverging. So we have to converge these rays in some backward direction. And here we see that these both rays will appears to become from this point, and here A dash B dash is the virtual image forms. So up to B dash we note from O we use minus V. Why? Rays are coming in this direction, we are noting in this direction. So here it is virtual image and erect image and magnified image Now the focal length of convex lens is always positive. We will take. Now another case is for concave lens. So whenever an object is placed like this is the object AB and the focal length for concave lens is always negative. So what we have to take? We have to take the sign convention for the distance minus u because rays will come in this direction and we will note in opposite direction. So now from this point A, one ray will go parallel to the principal axis. So this ray will always diverge because it is the diverging lens, so this will diverge. Now we will produce this ray in the backward direction, so every parallel ray will pass through the focus, so this ray always pass through the focus. Another ray we will pass through the optical center and this ray passes to the optical center as it is. So we see that these two rays will meet at a point here. Here is A dash and B dash and hence we note down the distance as minus V. So here the image is virtual and erect and highly diminished. Virtual, erect and highly diminished. So these are the two cases, and in the next video we will see about the power of a lens and its formula and numericals. Thank you.